Welcome to Nora Elementary, home of the Panther Cubs. We are building great character and great learners. You are going on a visual tour of our school, and you will see what our school-wide procedures and expectations are for each area of our building. At Nora, we have wonderful bus drivers who work hard to make sure we get to school on time safely. You can do your part by following the rules and procedures given by your bus driver. If you ride a bus in the morning, you will have an assigned door to enter. Keep hands and feet to yourself and walk on the right side of the sidewalk as you come in. If you are dropped off in the morning, stay in your car until an adult welcomes you in. Walk directly to your class. As you enter our school, take off your hat or hood and greet others with kind words. Walk directly to your class using a level 0, 1, or 2 voice. If you arrive late, make sure you go to the office to check in and get a pass to class. At Nora, students show halls to make sure everyone is safe. Students have hands together, all eyes forward, level 0 voices, listening ears, and are in straight lines. If you accidentally bump into another student, you may whisper, "I'm sorry." At Nora Elementary, we make sure our bathrooms are clean and safe. You can do your part by following these procedures. Enter the restroom quietly. All students should be at a level 0 in the restroom. Remember to place your toilet paper in the toilet and always flush. To stay healthy, always wash your hands with soap after using the restroom. Use 2 squirts of soap to lather up and then rinse. To dry your hands with a hand dryer, hold your hands under the air and rub your hands together gently until they are dry. You may use 1 squirt of hand sanitizer and rub your hands together. Welcome to the Nora office. When you come to the office, please wait patiently until we are available to talk with you. If you are feeling sick or need to take some medication, you may go directly into the clinic with a nurse pass, and our school nurse will help you. Welcome to the Nora cafeteria. In the cafeteria, there are a few important procedures that will help us make sure each student enjoys their lunch. Students enter the cafeteria quietly in a single line. Your teacher will tell you if you should line up directly or go to your assigned tables to wait. If you need to wait, go to the tables with your class's color and wait quietly until an adult invites you to line up. Always keep your hands and feet to yourself. When you enter to get your lunch, make sure you are patient and use a level 0 voice. You may be polite and use manners to thank the cafeteria helpers. The ladies who help in our kitchen work very hard. If you have a question, ask it in a polite manner. After you've gotten your food, you will enter your 4-digit code on the computer. Don't worry, someone will help you if you forget your number. Students need to use appropriate table manners when eating in the cafeteria. This includes chewing with your mouth closed, waiting to talk until you are done chewing, using appropriate utensils, and keeping your area clean. We eat quietly at our tables, visiting with our friends in a level 1 or 2 voice, just like you would talk in a restaurant. Students need to ask permission to get out of their seat and are asked to keep knees and feet under the table while eating. An adult will announce cleanup time 5 minutes before dismissal. During cleanup, students will be asked to stand, pick up all paper and trash, and line up. Students will walk quietly in a single line to the trash cans and tray window. Empty your food and paper into the trash and place your tray in the window gently. After dropping off your tray, return to your table and sit quietly until your teacher picks you up. You may be asked to be a table wiper or a floor sweeper. It's fun to be a helper, and responsible students are given these jobs. Just as there are procedures for arriving to school, there are procedures for leaving after a great day of learning as well. Be sure to follow your teacher's directions for getting ready and lining up inside your classroom. It is very important to know where you are going after school. Many students go home on the bus, some go to AYS, and some are picked up in the library. If you are riding a bus home, you should walk quietly with your class out to the buses. Walk in a single file line along the sidewalk, making sure not to cross the yellow line next to the buses. Your teacher will walk you to your bus. After you say goodbye to your teacher, get on your bus and prepare for a safe trip. Just like in the morning, you are expected to follow the bus driver's procedures and make great choices. If you go to AYS or are a car rider, your teacher will tell you when you can leave your classroom. As you walk in the hallway, make sure to show your halls. When you enter the library, follow adult directions to make sure everyone gets home safely. We hope you've enjoyed your tour of Nora Elementary School. We know you'll do your part to follow the procedures in this video. Together, we will continue to make Nora the best school it can be.